to another AI powered video. Today I'm about to show you something really cool. How to create a TikTok videos in a unique AI style without using any complicated software. That's right, you don't need to download anything or have any technical skills to do that. All you have to do is type in what you want and the AI will do the rest. And here's the best part. These videos are not only super engaging, but they are also monetizable. Remember, it's completely monetizable. This is real deal. I'll show you a few examples and then I will walk you through exactly how to do it. It only takes few seconds and let's go for it.
Forget everything you know about coding because I'm about to spill the tea on the hottest programming trend, vibe coding. Like, who needs boring algorithms when you can just manifest—
Want to understand Einstein's mind-blowing theory in 30 seconds? Buckle up. Imagine you're on a super fast spaceship.
Alright, so here we are logged into the Deep Agent. I put a link in the descriptions below, and if you are ChatLLM team subscriber, just click on the Deep Agents at the bottom left of your dashboard and you are in there. No extra signups needed. Once you're inside, it's super simple. All you have to do is type in your prompt. For example, let's create a TikTok video about top 500 places you don't even know exist. It's truly real and so horrific. That's our topic. You can be as specific as broad as you want. The more detail you give, the better the AI can tailor your video. So I type, create a TikTok video about 500 places you don't even know exist, and make it truly real and so horrific. Then the AI asks a few questions about it, and do you want the video to be scary, mysterious, or maybe documentary style or cinematic, or you can even choose to have an AI avatar to narrate or just use the image and footage with a voiceover. All such questions you can just answer. For this example, let's go with a dramatic spooky voiceover and chilling images. Now, here's where the magic happens. You can see here the AI starts researching the topic in the real time. You can see on the right side that it has so many websites it's looking at, and I can just open up one by one and you can see what it is, all the contents having there. Pulling in up-to-date information from across the web, that is more important, and it does that. You can see all the websites, which is all latest one. You can even see the source, how it's checking there. So you know what content it's using it and how much it's accurate and trustworthy it is. While it's researching, it is also drafting. You can see on the left side the script it's creating. So no need to write any single word yourself. You're completely hands-free. Sit and watch what this Deep Agent is doing there. Once the script is ready, the AI will automatically generate a voiceover for it.
So terrifying, most people don't even know they exist.
Perfectly timed for a TikTok short form format. It even matches the phasing to keep your viewers hooked up on the edge of their seats. You can preview the voiceover, tweak the tones, or just let the AI handle it all.
Number 5.
If you wanted to make some tweaks any point of time, it will give you a prompt like asking questions or getting answers from you. So there you can say yes, or you wanted to make some tweak, tell them what kind of tweak we need, and that can make the changes and you can give you additional value on it.
5 haunted places so terrifying, most people don't know they exist.
Next, the AI breaks your video down scene by scene. You can see here all these scenes are there, making sure TikTok is friendly with the right aspect ratio and duration. Wanted to make some changes? No problem. Just type in your request, like change the first image of the video to dark or abandoned hallway, whatever, and the AI will update your videos instantly. No editing software, no headache. Just a plain English will help you to make the changes. Once you're happy with the video,
5 haunted places so terrifying, most people don't know they exist. Number 5, Fort Garry Hotel in Canada. Phantom footsteps and doors slam shut on their own. Number 4, LaLaurie Mansion in New Orleans. Tortured souls still echo through its halls. Number 3, Poveglia Island in Italy. Built on human ash, pure nightmare fuel. These places will haunt your dreams forever. Follow for more terrifying secrets.
And don't forget, the AI can also generate multiple catchy titles, a full video descriptions, and SEO optimized tags for your videos in seconds. So just type in what all you want and then copy that and paste it into your content, and it's ready to reach a wider audience. And that's it. In about 20 minutes, you will got a professional monetizable TikTok video created entirely with AI and no software required. If you wanted to create more, just repeat the process, or even you can ask the AI to generate a whole series of haunted place videos for you. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI powered content creation tips. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy creating.